Look, if you've been scrolling through YouTube watching people promise you $5,000 a month doing absolutely nothing, I get it. That dream is seductive. But let me be straight with you. That's not how money actually works. The good news? There are side hustles that genuinely pay real money. Not get-rich-quick schemes, not things that take 40 hours a week. Real opportunities where normal people are making $200, $500, even thousands of dollars monthly with their spare time. The problem is nobody's giving you the actual numbers, the real timeline, or the honest work involved. That changes today. Let's start with freelance writing, because it's the fastest way to validate that you can make money outside your job. Here's the reality. You're not going to make $50 per article starting out. You'll make between 15 and 40 cents per word initially. That means a 1,000-word article nets you $150 to $400. But here's the secret that nobody tells you. After your first 10 to 15 clients, you can charge $2 to $5 per word. Suddenly, that same article makes $2,000 to $5,000. I know people making $3,000 to $4,000 monthly writing for SaaS companies and finance publications working maybe 12 hours a week. The barrier to entry is zero. You open a Google Doc and start pitching today. The second opportunity is digital products, and this one's been quietly making people consistent money for years. I'm talking about templates, courses, ebooks, Notion templates, Canva designs, anything digital you create once and sell infinitely. The beauty here is you're not trading time for money anymore. One creator I know spent 40 hours building Excel budget templates, put them on Etsy, and made $18,000 in 6 months. Another person created a 2-hour productivity course, launched it on Gumroad, and hit $500 in monthly recurring revenue. Your upfront work is real. Your return compounds. Most people fail because they expect sales instantly. But if you pick something you actually know, your real skill, not guessing, you can realistically hit $500 to $2,000 monthly within 3 months. Third is service arbitrage, which sounds fancy but is actually simple. You find a service that's expensive, you learn it cheaply, and you sell it to people who need it. Example: virtual assistant work. You learn Zapier, project management, email management. Spend $50 on courses. Then charge small business owners $40 to $60 per hour. You're reselling your time at 3 to 4 times the rate you learned it for. Another example: social media management. You learn how to run Facebook ads through free Google certifications. Then you manage ads for local plumbers or dentists at $1,500 to $3,000 monthly per client. You're not inventing anything. You're packaging existing knowledge and selling it to people with money and no time. Number 4 is niche YouTube channels. And yeah, I know everyone says start a YouTube channel, but here's where people get it wrong. Don't make a channel for millions of people. Make a channel for thousands of very specific people. Find a tiny niche. Maybe it's productivity for nurses, or investing for teachers, or fitness for busy parents, and own that specific audience. You're not competing with Mr. Beast. You're building deep trust with a small group. Monetization happens through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products way before YouTube ad revenue matters. People in these small niches have money and trust your opinion. One creator with 70,000 subscribers in a niche finance category makes $4,000 monthly in sponsorships alone. Your advantage? Less competition, deeper engagement, real money. Fifth, skill-based coaching or consulting. If you've been working in your field for 5+ years, you have knowledge that people desperately want. Career coaching, personal development coaching, business consulting, whatever your expertise is. People pay serious money for this. You can charge $75 to $300 per hour for one-on-one coaching, or build group coaching at $40 to $100 per person per month. One person I know coaches people on job interviews, charges $150 per session, books 4 sessions weekly, and makes $30,000 monthly working part-time. You're literally just having conversations and applying your experience. That's it. So here's what you actually do this week. Pick one of these. Not all 5. Not 0. 1. Spend 2 hours researching which one matches your existing skills. Then spend 3 hours taking your first concrete action. Write your first pitch email. Design your first template. Book your first consultation call. Record your first YouTube video. The people making serious side hustle income aren't smarter than you. They just started. And they kept going. This isn't financial advice. It's just the way money actually works when you stop waiting and start creating real value for people willing to pay. If this was useful, like this video, so YouTube shows it to more people trying to escape the broke cycle. Subscribe, because we drop money strategies every single week. And tell me in the comments which of these 5 you're starting with. I read every comment, and honestly, that's how I know what to make next. Let's get you to financial freedom.